half against my better judgment. We're taking on not a major, but a kind of minor kitchen rearrangement. Right now, kind of out of the blue. This is something I've needed to do for a long time, and I've got a couple hours today before Bree gets home, so I'm gonna try to knock it out. We're gonna take the sink, we're gonna take this completely out and flip it around and put it by this window, so you're looking out the window while you wash dishes. And that means we're gonna have to cut out a whole section of this counter here and fit that cabinet back in, do some plumbing. And then this won't happen today, maybe tomorrow I'll probably build an island for right here. I'm doing this because Bree's been asking forever for me to fix this kitchen, and this is one of the big rearrangement steps that'll basically give us more counter space. All this, instead of being a sink, will be a big counter workspace for cooking, for doing projects. But we're doing it, we're starting now. I'm gonna pull out the circular saw and just cut through this countertop. First, we're moving all the stuff. These boys are helping me. Hopefully we can get this done and not have it a total mess when Brianna gets home, because she's running errands and going to the grocery store, so she's gonna come home with like 100 pounds of food from the grocery store, and it would kind of ruin her day if it was just a total mess. So we'll see what we can get done. About to be no going back, for better or worse. We're getting a nice rain outside. I need to cut this countertop. I'm gonna wait till it stops raining so I don't spread that nasty dust in here. So next step is to remove this sink, and then we're definitely at that point, at the point of no return. Just make sure those two small pipes, you see them, they're coming up from underneath. Okay, we missed the move, but this is free. It's not as ugly as I thought it was going to be. I thought it might be rotten under there, but this looks okay. Halloween, you're hilarious. You can kind of start to envision what this is going to look like with the sink over here. It opens up a lot of space here, though we're going to fill up this middle space with an island. So I just came out from under the house. We're about to go to the hardware store, and whoo, bad news. It is really, so I've never been under this part of the house because it's so tight. It's tighter than I thought. Like, I'll be touching belly and back when I squeeze through here, and then I can just get to there, but I can't get up here. But I know what I need now. We're going to the hardware store. Hopefully we can pull this off. All right, see you in a little while. What do you think? Is she gonna be mad, sad, glad, or happy?
Well, if you don't get it cleaned up, she's gonna be mad.
Yeah, I think so. Grace has been out at a day camp thing she's doing, and she just got back, so she's seeing this for the first time. And I think she's right. We've got some PEX pipe and a bunch of connections and some PVC. So I should be able to reach that, I hope. Okay, I'm going under the house with just the essential supplies, these two quick connects, and then I'm bringing this tiny little cutter because I can carry it easily. I really want to get this job done before Brianna gets home, not because she wouldn't be a good sport about it, but a surprise, if you've done a partial kitchen renovation, a surprise is one thing, that's great. But a surprise, just your kitchen torn to pieces, not a very good surprise. All right, through this space, and then here's the first squeeze. It's not too bad, but it's a little bit of a squeeze. Not a very big entrance to this crawl space. Okay, that's where I'm going. Not up underneath this beam up here. Hello, spider. Please don't bite me. I have to crawl through the remains of an animal. That's the best thing about crawl spaces. Someone was eating oysters down here. Okay, here's the squeeze. Literally, I can span the squeeze with my hands. I'm not sure if I can do it, but I think I can get through right here. Okay, I was not able to fit, so now I'm literally digging to make this space bigger for my body to fit through. I don't think it counts as claustrophobic when your chest and back are touching and you get a little bit of a panic feeling. You gotta stay calm, because if you freak out, you're sure to get stuck. Hey Gracie. So I got through the tight spot. Well, I'm in a tight spot. But, take those red pipes and pull them towards you just a little. Okay, I've got this one. Now wiggle the other one. All right. I've got to cut these two. Look, guys, this is ridiculous. I've got to cut this and this supply line here. Oh, shoot. Are you serious? I forgot to turn off the water. That sucks so bad. That means I have to go out and come back in. That was so stupid. Because I don't ever want to crawl under here again. Okay, I got the supply line turned off. All right, there we go. And here comes some water. All right, one more connection and we're out of here. Okay, there's my 2 connections I'm getting out of here. Okay, I survived the squeeze for the 4th time. There's the light. I can make it. Oh, I am dirty. And I'm glad to be out of the pit. So glad. Okay, Breeze, bring it home. I'm gonna try to film this kind of covertly. Hopefully it'll go okay.
What's that? What? Well, I thought she was gonna be mad that you were getting this all messy.
Why would I be mad?
Well, don't look in the living room.
Because it's just messy. I've been wanting to do this for several days.
Oh my gosh. Well, how did you get the sink to work?
It doesn't work yet, but I'm connecting it now. I have half of the connection done.
Well, where am I going to put my dishes?
What do you mean?
My cabinet's gone.
Well, this piece has to be gone. But we'll have more space overall because we lost this much cabinet space, but then we're having this much more. Feels kind of open, doesn't it?
Yes. Why would I mean, projects are messy. I get mad when, like, I have to clean the same thing over and over and over. Not whenever wonderful things are happening. This might not have been a summer project.
Be done with that. I'm pretty close to being done. Like, I'll probably finish this evening. Okay, the kids are in bed and time to get back to work. And next step is to connect this drain pipe, get these ends ready to connect into the sink. Then I've got to cut this countertop to length and try to get this installed, clean everything, and hopefully put stuff back. I'm hoping to get that done tonight. guys, I'm done for the day. I'm about whooped. Justice, my oldest man-child, stayed up late with me, which he never does. This is the latest he's ever stayed up. And we got water going, and we don't have any leaks that we can see. I patched this in over here. It's about as ugly as I've ever seen, but these old countertops are warped. We'll have to replace the whole thing here. Folks, this has been a successful surprise kitchen redo, and we're looking online for an island, or I may end up building one. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon. Bye.